Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In today's video, we're going to talk about a very special key date from 1916. And I'm talking about the 1916D Mercury Dime. Let's get right into it. Here's a 1916 Mercury Dime minted in Philadelphia. It's looking a little rough, isn't it? Despite the outward appearance, this coin still graded mint state 63 with full bands on the reverse. It has a really cool dark looking tone. This 1916 Mercury Dime sold at Heritage Auctions for $32. Here's one in a little bit better shape. This is a 1916 Mercury Dime. It was also minted in Philadelphia. This one has some toning on the right side of the coin, and it has more of a traditional silver look to it. This Mercury Dime was submitted to NGC for grading, and it came back a mint state 64. It also has a green CAC sticker, which means that this is one of the better looking coins in its grade. This 1916 Mercury Dime sold at auction for $111. Here's our first 1916 Denver minted Mercury Dime. You can see a really thin layer of aqua toning that looks really cool on the obverse or front of the coin and also on the reverse. The mint mark for these dimes is located on the reverse of the coin at the bottom, as you can see here. This is one of only 264,000 coins minted out of Denver for this particular year. This 1916D Mercury Dime was submitted to PCGS for grading, and it came back a really high mint state 66 plus. It also received a full bands designation and has the green CAC sticker on it. This Mercury Dime sold at auction for $72,000. Here's another beautiful 1916D Mercury Dime. This dime looks like it's glowing. It's got some awesome golden toning on both the front and the back of the coin. You can see some signs of wear, but this coin still graded very high. This is definitely one of the best of this key date out there. This 1916 Denver minted Mercury Dime was submitted to PCGS for grading and came back a mint state 67, full bands, and also has the green CAC sticker. That means big money to collectors. And this one here, it sold at auction for $195,500. If you enjoyed the video, give me the up thumb and think about becoming a channel member. Thanks for watching.